midweek boat day. Papa's up, so we decided that Rob's gonna show him some of his wakeboard skills. It's supposed to rain this afternoon.
3 hours later.
So it's only like 10:30 in the morning right now, but figured we'd hit Clam River, do some wakeboarding and skiing because it's a little wavy out here and the water's usually a lot calmer in there. This is not fog. This is all that like smoke or whatever from the wildfires, I guess. It's crazy. Like you literally barely can see across the lake. I don't know what that means, but it's kind of wild to see.
What?
Great, dude.
Ease up.
We made it back to the river. Only a few more minutes to the marina. Rob, you are in heaven back there in the rain?
Yes, it's awesome. Somebody. Is anybody getting it?
I am taking your picture.